Please, this is very important. If you're a truck driver or if you know somebody who's a truck driver, please share this information. waxaa hadda naloo soo sheegay naloo soo gudbiyay in 3 wiil oo Soomaali ah lagu dilay truck stops Virginia, Wisconsin and another state. Please, inta laga gaarayo January 20th cadaanki way kacsan yihiin waxay racist ahaa banaanka hubkooda la soo baxeen waxay laynayaan anybody who is a minority. haddii aad gurigaaga joogi kartid ilaa uu Biden uu maxal lahaay xilka kala wareegayo, please stay home, be safe, share this message with everybody who is on the road. This is very critical. 3 wiil ayaa Soomaali ayaa hadda la dilay truck stop bana lagu dilay. Please share this information with all truck drivers.
Assalamu alaikum Malao family. Quick tips dadka oo magaaladooda joogi karin oo loadkii de contract ku xiran tahay ama qasab ku baxaan waaye. Please, if you can, team load ku qaada so you can avoid truck stops. Hadda truck stop joogtid hadda oo caawa ku aadin tahay, please gaarigaaga make sure it's locked. qof hadduu gaarigaaga ku imaado ha la hadlin, albaabka ha ka furin, and booliiska ugu wac if you feel unsafe. Please and please, you guys look around your surroundings and dadka ha la sheekaysanina. Avoid cities oo cadaanka ku badan yihiin. Go to the major cities, inshallah. Khairan ni rajaynana wani soo duceynana, and please stay safe. Assalamu alaikum Malao Logistics family. Just quick update here. We here to just provide information as we hear from our own direct drivers. Our drivers were not feeling safe on getting on the road today, and we wanted to make sure that you are aware of that as well. The incidents that we got the information from, we don't know who the people are, because they're not our direct drivers, but inshallah we'll find out. Again, we're not a news outlet, but the guy in Virginia has been confirmed in the stop greye. As far as safety at truck stops, we all talking about it under the brokers team, so please stay safe. That is our main information, Anaga. And inshallah, if we hear anything about who these people are, we'll share with you. But again, we're not a news outlet. We just want to make sure that you know that at the truck stops right now, small areas are not safe. That is our main information that we wanted to share with you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. dad badan baa nala soo xiriiray walaalayaal, warkan waa xaqiiqo daraafalinteena noo soo gudbiyeen arintan way dhacday. It's confirmed. This is not a fake news. If I'm not sending my drivers on the road, I don't want to xunin Soomaaliyeed inaan wadada aan way galaan. warbixinta xaqiiq weeyaan. This is not a fake news. We're not looking for cloud. This information is real. It's happening. I just got another call from a guy in Kentucky that told him that so gali rabo truck stop, they run him off the road. wadada ka bixin gaaray gabaawr kula soo ordeen. So he's safe too, saying alhamdulillah. But this is real information. Allah share gareeya. Be safe out there everybody. Wa ma santiin.